how to create a POF account. So if you want to create a POF account, which is plenty of fish, then first of all, you can open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for POF. And here you will have www.pof.com. Click on that. And now you can go for register, which is here on the upper right. And here you need to enter your name. And then click on sign up. And here you need to enter your gender. Choose your gender and then click on next. And here you need to pick what best fits you below. So you can choose the option and then click on next and enter your date of birth and then click on next. And here you need to enter your country and here your city and then your state or province and then your postal code or your zip code. And after entering your information, click on next. And here you need to enter your email. So enter your email here on the first blank and then again enter your email on the next blank. And after entering your email twice, click on next. And here you need to confirm your password. And here you need to enter your username. And after that, here you need to enter your password. So after entering the password, here again you need to confirm your password. And after that, click on this box and then click on next. And that's it. You've made an account. Click on let's go. And now you can choose these options based on your taste. And you can click on next and you can enjoy your plenty of fish account. So that's it. That's how you create your account. Your account has been created. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.